What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, we are going to talk about these guys right here. Impact wrenches. These things are awesome. Some of my favorite tools that I use every time that I work on my car. And this little guy is the main addition I wanted to talk about because it's new and it's cool and it's a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. This is the Milwaukee 1/2-inch stubby. Now, why do they call it a stubby? Well, because it's nice and short and stubby. This is the 1/2-inch mid torque, which has 750 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, whereas this one only has 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. But, I mean, come on. We don't always need all that nut busting, do we? This one has a much slimmer profile, as you can see right here. Takes up way less space, so you can get into those tighter areas, which is awesome. Also, it is much lighter. What's good about that? Well, it's, you know, not gonna put as much weight on your hand and that sort of thing. Besides that, it also runs on the M12 battery, which is this guy right here, as compared to the M18 battery right here, which is an 18 volt. This, you know, obviously gonna give you a bit more torque, but this gets the job done very, very well. Then I also have the little 3/8 inch one, which is great also, as that's an M12. It's also fairly small, but actually not as small as the new stubby. The stubby is, well, extra stubby like we said before, which is super, super cool. So I think what a good test would be is I'm just gonna go ahead and pull one of my cars up and we're gonna just bust some lug nuts off. Went ahead and made sure that all of these lug nuts are torqued down to the same torque. They're all at 95 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously, all of these guns are rated higher than that. We'll start out with the smallest one first, which is the, well, this is the 3/8 inch drive impact wrench right here. I really like this one. It's small, compact, lightweight. Also, it has 2 drive modes. We got a low speed and a high speed. All right, as you can see, busted it off. It took a little bit of time, but nothing big, but it does do the trick. For the new stubby version right here, you actually have 3 different modes of drive. You have 1, 2, and 3, which vary in speed. And then you have this one right here, where it will help you not over torque any of your fasteners. And it also runs at high speed when you're in reverse. Oh yeah, let's try it out. All right, so this is 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. Okay, as you can see, quite a bit faster. Sounded good, looks nice. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I would use this all the time, and I will. Now we got the 18 volt version right here. This is the mid torque, so this is not even the high torque, but this does 750 foot-pounds, again, of nut busting torque. This one has 3 drive modes as well. We got 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna take it off in number 3, and you'll see how fast this will come off. Yeah, that's a bit faster, but basically, this one is for the big stuff, and the other ones work amazing just for your everyday, you know, taking off bolts when you're working under the engine compartment. You really don't need this thing for that. Suspension components and things like that, yeah, let's bust out the big guy, but I am going to be using, well, all of these, but I really like this one just because it's 1/2 inch, and then, like I said before, this is 3/8. All of these use the little clip here at the end to retain the socket, so it works very nice. Yes, I know this is not an impact socket. Milwaukee, maybe I need some impact sockets, but it works awesome. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. That just kind of wraps it up. Just wanted to show you one of the cool new totally tubular 2-minute tool time tools that I picked up from Milwaukee Tool. They were kind enough to send this out to me. There will be a giveaway on some Milwaukee stuff, guys, at 50K. We're getting pretty close, so make sure to subscribe, and if we get to 50,000 subscribers, we're gonna be giving away a few tools. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.